Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin, and its roller coaster ride in the market. In this video, we'll explore the recent price crash, its historical context, and what it means for the future of Bitcoin. To fully know the market of Bitcoin, make sure to watch till the end of this video. And now, let's get started. An already dramatic crash in the crypto markets has become yet more drastic, with Bitcoin and other digital currencies losing hundreds of billions of dollars from their value. Bitcoin has now fallen 16.8% over the last week. Other coins have seen even more dramatic losses. Ethereum is now down 25%. That follows what was already the worst start of the year for Bitcoin in history. After hitting a record high of almost $68,000, 50,000 pounds, in November, it is now worth under $35,000. Bitcoin's price had already taken a major hit on Thursday night into Friday, when it fell from around $43,000 to around $38,500. But that plunge continued even more on Saturday, taking it to a low of $34,064. Anyone that bought Bitcoin at the start of the year has now seen it lose more than 23% of its value in just 3 weeks. The cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin, is known for its price volatility, and it's not uncommon for Bitcoin to experience significant price fluctuations. It's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets can be influenced by a wide range of factors, and predicting their short-term movements can be challenging. Historically, Bitcoin has faced periods of sharp declines followed by significant rallies. The article you provided highlights that Bitcoin has experienced 6 occasions in the last decade where its value fell by 50% or more, only to recover and reach new all-time highs within a few years. This historical pattern suggests that Bitcoin has shown resilience and a tendency to rebound from market downturns. Several factors can contribute to these price fluctuations, including market sentiment, regulatory changes, macroeconomic events, and the integration of cryptocurrencies into the traditional financial system. Bitcoin's ability to hold above the $30,000 level is a critical factor. This level has previously acted as significant support during downturns. The article also points out some positive developments in the cryptocurrency space, such as countries adopting cryptocurrencies as legal forms of tender, regulatory initiatives, and plans to establish crypto hubs. Remember that the cryptocurrency market can be influenced by a wide range of factors, and its future performance is uncertain. It's advisable to diversify your investment portfolio and consider your risk tolerance when investing in cryptocurrencies or any other asset class. Additionally, consulting with financial experts or advisors can provide valuable insights and guidance when making investment decisions. That's a wrap for today's video on Bitcoin's price volatility and historical patterns. We've seen how Bitcoin has weathered storms before, and it's important to keep a long-term perspective when investing in cryptocurrencies. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth insights into the world of cryptocurrency. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, happy investing!